Good morning, YouTube. I need your help. I got a question for engine builders out there. Whoever has assembled engines before, I got a pretty crazy question for you. And let me show you. Has anyone ever used silicone so much that it pushes all the way to the fire ring on their head gasket install? All the way to the fire ring. All the way to the fire ring. I'm being told this is normal practice now. Now, obviously these heads are off because we've had a failure. We got a head gasket leak. And I'm seeing an excessive amount of silicone between the head and the block. And I'm being told this is common practice. YouTube, engine builders, am I crazy? We now put silicone between two machine surfaces to gain a better seal. What are your thoughts? And I have never seen also this. Silicone on every head bolt, even on the end of the head bolts, to where the silicone will be in the bottom of the dead hole, possibly affecting the torque of the bolt. Tell me your thoughts, YouTube. What do you think? Am I crazy? God bless.